Arrived at the vet's office and I'm about to drop off Reese's. A little nervous. I hope she does okay today, but I thought I'd let you see her before she goes in. She's nervous as well. And if you guys know much about getting an animal fixed, it's a lot scarier for a female because, you know, obviously it's more invasive. So I'm hoping she turns out just fine. Hope and pray that nothing happens to her and she has a quick recovery. So, because as we know, Carmel needs a buddy. So, anyway, I'll update you guys later. Bye. After I dropped off Reese's, the vet called, and evidently the doctors or the vets weren't aware that they were dealing with a female guinea pig, and they highly recommended against it. They usually, they're not specialized in just the they're not used to doing females. They do male guinea pigs all the time. So they told me the percentages, and they just felt that, they recommended another vet that would do it. So I just decided, and, you know, I asked about the age and him being 3 years old. They said there's no problem. They do ones that are older than that. So I think I'm going to get little Carmel here fixed. So I told him I'd bring him right over. So guys, I am hoping, I will be a complete wreck if he passes away. I would with Reese's too, but I'm telling you, he's my favorite. So just hopefully he makes it through. And again, it's less invasive, and so hopefully this will be okay. See you guys. Hey guys. So either before you take your guinea pig to the vet or after you've dropped them off and they're having surgery, you need to create some sort of space for them to recover in. So what I've done is I've created a 2x3 grid cage. It is a little small, but I figured he's not going to be running or jumping around everywhere. So it would give him a place to recover. So you just, what I've got is the essentials. So I have hay, water, I have a hideaway and his food bowl, and I also have a few chew toys for him to munch on to keep his teeth down. So this recovery would probably be around 2 to 3 days. Probably wouldn't put him with any other guinea pigs for a good week. So, but if you've been following our channel, you also notice that I am missing one detail to my cages, and that is a litter box. I just felt that it wouldn't be good for him jumping up and down on the litter box, and he tends to sleep in his litter box and gets very dirty. Like, I have to give him baths all the time to his little bum because they get so dirty. So I just felt that was best. So hey guys, so great news, Carmel made it. He's been a little camera shy right now, but the vet said that he did amazing. There were no complications. So now he's just on the road to recovery. So we've got 2 to 3 days just to keep an eye on him, make sure everything's okay, he's not in any pain, that sort of thing. And then we will, and it'll be about a week before I let him in the cage with Reese's. So anyway, I'll update you later. Bye. Before I put him in here, I fed him 2 small leaf lettuces. Just wanted to make sure he would eat. So, oh, I did forget to tell you that you also need critical care, just in case they came home and would not eat. So I didn't have to worry about feeding him any of that. I don't have it near me at the moment, so I'll just post a picture of what critical care looks like for those of you that don't know. But he seems to be doing well. He's running around. He was, when I first picked him up, he looked very sad. So, but he's definitely improved after I cuddled with him and petted him for a little bit. Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update before I head to bed, but it's a good thing to monitor your guinea pig throughout the day after their surgery. So what I noticed is Carmel literally hid all day until now, like literally right as I start filming, he moves. Has been in his hideaway, and so what I did is I moved hay closer, I moved some vegetables, and I also moved his water bottle over there, but I've moved it back to where it originally was, and of course now he's moving around, so I know he's doing pretty well. But you just want to make sure that they're eating something, they're getting hay into their system. So anyway, he's doing pretty good. So it's the next morning, and Carmel did great. He's running around this morning, eating hay. He still won't eat that darn green pepper over there, but other than that, he's doing pretty well. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm glad everything turned out okay, and I'll be posting another video here soon with when I bond Carmel and Reese's and the procedure and that. So again, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.